This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Zocon T Kit is an effective treatment for managing vaginal infections. It combines fluconazole and tinidazole to provide relief from these infections. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for the treatment of vaginal infections caused by fungal organisms. It is particularly useful for patients experiencing symptoms related to such infections and aims to alleviate discomfort and promote recovery. How it works. The medication functions by inhibiting ergosterol synthesis essential for fungal cell walls while damaging the DNA of the pathogens, leading to their elimination. Directions for use. Patients should take this medication exactly as prescribed by their healthcare provider. It is recommended to swallow the tablets whole with a full glass of water without chewing or crushing. The correct dosage will depend on individual factors like age, body weight, and specific health conditions. Possible side effects. Common side effects include nausea, vomiting, headache, and stomach discomfort. Patients should seek medical advice if these symptoms worsen or if any severe reactions occur. Precautions and warnings. It is vital to consult a healthcare provider before starting this medication, especially for individuals with liver or kidney disease, heart rhythm disorders, or those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Avoid alcohol while using this medicine due to potential adverse reactions. FAQs. 1. Can I use this medication in children? No, it is not recommended for children. 2. Does it cause drowsiness? Yes, it may cause drowsiness. Avoid driving if you feel this way. 3. Can I take it while breastfeeding? No, it is not recommended for breastfeeding women. 4. What should I do if I experience severe side effects? Contact your doctor immediately. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave a comment below.